Recently, staff from the administration of Jiangxi Poyang Lake, Nanji Wetland National Nature Reserve, discovered that the white cranes, which are under first-class state protection, have made a concentrated appearance in the lake area with a population of over 400. In the waters of Jiangting Lake in Nanji Township, the white cranes, being tall and snowy white, have become the protagonist here.
目前，大部分的越冬候鸟已经抵达了我们南极湿地。与往年同期相比的话，它们的数量有所上升。第一个原因就是它们的食物野生莲的数量变多了。第二个原因就是水位，今年的水位正适合它们栖息觅食，所以吸引了大量的白鹤在我们保护区栖息越冬。
The white crane is a provincial bird of Jiangxi Province, known as the bird living fossil. Every year, 98% of the world's white cranes fly to Poyang Lake to overwinter and stay for more than 5 months.